Hi. So I wanted to explain why I made the change I did for this week's reading assignments. In the original course calendar, we were going to read a story called The Lady and the Dog, which is a fine story. But what I've decided to do instead is to assign 2 Flannery O'Connor short stories and the critical excerpts included in the Norton book about Flannery O'Connor's work. There are a couple of reasons for this. One is because those short stories are just terrific, and there's no reason why you shouldn't be exposed to them. And the other is that because the book includes these critical excerpts, it gives us a little bit of a look into what it might be like for you to do your research paper where you're going to have to incorporate some critical sources. Critical sources are those found not by doing just a Google search, but by using the library databases in order to find scholarly articles that have been peer-reviewed, which means when I send it out, I write the article, I send it out to be published, and my peers in the field have to agree that the research is sound and that it meets certain standards. These articles often get published in academic journals that you wouldn't find in a bookstore or necessarily even in the library, but our library has them, and either electronically or has the actual periodicals themselves. The excerpts in your book are from such journal articles. And of course you can also check out books that will contain chapters or maybe even an entire book written about an author or written about a particular short story. So this is a good exposure for you to both works by a master writer, storyteller, Flannery O'Connor, and also what it looks like when you're looking at and looking for critical sources that you then enfold into your own writing when you're writing a research paper. So that's what we're doing this week. Okay, thanks.